Nalazimo se u pravoj kuhinji, konačno, i to kod francuskog kuhara koji je specijalizirao palačinke. Inače, u Parizu se jedu sa sirom i šunkom, što kod nas baš nije neki običaj, ali Mika će nam pokazati kako se to radi na francuski način.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Ah, ça va bien. Et vous?
Ça va, merci.
Okay, and now we can speak like a French people are speaking English, huh?
Okay, we can speak
With all
English.
these accents.
Yes.
Okay, this is Mika. Mika is my friend from Paris.
Dragomir.
He can speak in Croatian.
Ja razumiem, but to talk is another thing. Ja učim hrvatski, but...
Les crêpes, qu'est-ce que c'est crêpes?
Alors les crêpes, ça vient d'une tradition française. Les crêpes, c'est quand on dit le mot crêpe, on a tout de suite l'eau à la bouche.
Do you think in
France.
Zagreb is not so traditional to eat les crêpes?
I don't know when the crepe arrived in Croatia, but for the France, in France, crepe is 2000 years ago. You know, the galette is with buckwheat flour.
Qu'est-ce que c'est buckwheat?
Buckwheat, sarrasin. Buckwheat is Helda.
Ah, with Helda.
Yeah, buckwheat. Bon, voilà, ça c'est la crêpe, la pâte à crêpe.
Ok.
C'est la pâte à crêpe. Donc la pâte à crêpe, c'est une préparation secrète. This is a professional preparation, so this pat is adapted for this machine. This machine we say bilig in French. So here I prepare the machine. And so we put our crepe and we turn our crepe. His name turn your crepe. So we turn our crepe in bilig. Voilà.
So you start with that crepe au Zagreb, and you were just making pancakes all the time.
Alors, I start in Zagreb with the crepe and galette,
Okay.
sweet and salty, because I decide
To show Zagreb something which we don't know.
Alors, not too show, I'm not so pretentious. No, I want just I discover doesn't exist here, so I want to make for the Croatia people discover what we eat in France. What is for me is very important to
But
show
that's
our tradition.
This is in Paris like really common dish. It's like you are buying hamburger in America, for example.
Yes, alors in Paris, yes, but in Paris it's completely different. And plus, you know, in France you have 5,000 crêperies.
Yeah.
In France, just in France. In Paris you have, I don't know, maybe 2,000, 1,500. I really don't know. But the real tradition, you don't have a lot of crêperies do it. It's, for example, in Paris, you can find maybe one or two crêperies to this 1,500, or the tradition is very respected, like here. You know, it's not just to make a crêpe or palatchinke. You need to respect a lot of things: temperature, color of your crepe, texture. You know, when one day I meet one person here, and she told me, "Okay, well, you make a crepe, well, okay, and say, hey, and I say, okay, it's not just to make crepe; it's to make one." I can explain. You know, for me, I'm completely passionate by this. I really love it, and I eat crepe like, I don't know, maybe I was 1 year, you know, old when I start to eat crepe, and for my complete life. And can I have the plate, please?
The plate, please.
Thank you.
And you also have these knives like Luke Skywalker.
Yeah. It can be this or some people is not sage.
You're putting something on.
Yes, we put butter.
Butter.
Yes,
C'est butter.
this is French tradition, the butter. So this is what we do in France. And you see the crepe is very thin, very tasty.
Yes.
And here we can put what we want: sugar, chocolate, caramel, etc., etc. So this tradition, this crepe, is very important to respect. Color is very important. Ingredient. Okay, I will not give my ingredient in TV. It doesn't have one lipa in water.
Okay.
Nothing. No water inside.
No water inside.
No water. The real crepe doesn't have water inside.
So you have milk inside?
Milk and fresh milk. You need
And
to be
mineral
fresh.
water.
And no water.
And no water.
And no water.
Okay.
But you can put beer inside. You can put
beer?
alcohol inside. You can put vanilla. You can put what you
Champagne,
want.
for example, if you are from Paris.
No,
from
you can
France.
drink champagne with this.
With the crepe.
Yes,
Okay.
it's fantastic. This is the best.
Yeah.
Champagne is for me the best. In France, we have the tradition to drink cider.
Okay.
You know, from
Me-
apple.
from apple.
Yeah, but me, I prefer one glass of champagne. It's fantastic. Here we have the Elda. Now, Elda is a buckwheat, no gluten.
No gluten.
No gluten. It's only flour doesn't have gluten. So we make one very special treatment. Is a 6-hour preparation. One
Okay.
galette like this. One pat like this is 6-hour preparation. For example, so we put some oil and we put some oil in a bilig. Alors here is the cook is more long. One crepe take approximately 10 seconds to cook,
Okay.
to be ready. One galette is more long because here you need to wait the molecule can
Okay.
glue, you know.
The molecule.
Yeah, it's a little bit more scientific here. And so here
Whoa.
we put the galette. You can smell it. It's completely different.
smell.
Yes, it's salty actually, but we can eat sweet too. We have some people gluten-free people like once, for example, we make one galette for them.
Okay.
We make one galette and with I don't know caramel or chocolat. And in France we have this tradition. This galette need to be a little bit crispy. One lady called me, say, "Can you come?" I said, "Yes." And she said, "How come my crepe is completely crispy? I don't want this." I say, "Okay,
Oh
okay."
la la.
I say, "Look, Gospodja, I explained the processes of the cooking for the galette." And she said, "Ah, bon, okay, but why not?" Bon. And she started to try. And when she tried, I was with my waiters, and we was looking, we was afraid, you know, by the reaction. We were afraid, and she
and you
tried,
came outside
and she
like- yeah.
cracked, and she, "Oh, but it's very nice." I say, "See." Voilà.
So is it hard to be a chef? You have to tell us.
Yes.
Are you often nervous, for example, or are you
Yes, always.
always nervous?
I'm always nervous because I'm perfectionist.
You're
I like the food is good.
Okay.
For me, it's very important. You know, you give pleasure of people.
Yeah, you
And-
give pleasure. That's
Yeah.
right. You have to be then really relaxed. You said you started cooking when you were 8 years old.
Yeah, with my grandmother. With my grandmother was a very
cook.
exceptional cook.
What is actually what you do now? Because you spread your French offer.
I will need,
Okay,
one
another plate.
Voilà.
Voilà. Yes.
We make like
Only
one
pancakes.
chicken in
Yeah.
marinade.
Okay, great.
We make chicken in marinade. This chicken we make some grass, some ingredient, and after we cook in an oven vapor.
Okay.
And so it's extremely tasty. Stay very soft, you know. And before to put in galette with a mushroom, with a cream and some grass, we we just make in plancha a little bit, and up, we put the chicken. It's very tasty.
It's very good.
It's very
Okay.
tasty.
And what about other dishes? Like there is this famous coq au vin.
Coq au vin, yes. Coq au vin. This is the first dish favorite of the French people.
Yeah.
When you look the list in France, the favorite dish from the France, coq au vin is first one.
Yeah, but you don't like that one,
Crêpe
you like
Eastern.
another one.
Crêpe Eastern. My favorite is bœuf bourguignon.
Oui.
Beef bourguignon. Yeah, beef bourguignon is. We make here one bœuf bourguignon fantastic. Is marinated 24 hours inside the fantastic Pinot Noir wine, red wine, with some grass, something. And after we cook 6 hours everything. We make nice reduction of the sauce. And with this we make one beautiful puree of potato. And it's wow. Ah. Just try this.
Okay, just this?
It's very simple, okay? On peut avoir des beefsteaks, s'il te plaît?
Beefsteaks. Okay, we also say beefsteak. Mi isto kažemo beefsteak. You know how to say palačinke?
Yeah.
You know how to say what else? Bog, dobar dan, ja sam Mika.
Dobar dan? Yeah. Dobar dan, ja sam Mika.
Okay.
Kako si, kako ste?
Koliko košta? Okay,
Koliko košta?
Ne. Okay, let's see. Znači, ja ću sad probati ove francuske palačinke. Samo sa šećerom.
Very simple.
I have a story when I was in Nogent-sur-Seine, which is a small city near Paris, for example, or Troyes.
Nogent-sur-Marne.
Nogent-sur-Marne, okay.
Nogent-sur-Marne.
So I was eating the crepe with flambé,
Oui,
with
alors,
cognac.
Oui, non. Alors, it can be with cognac, like in general is with Grand Marnier, flambé. But you need to know. This is one another thing.
This is great.
What we said in French in France is many bistrots, brasseries, bistrots, restaurants proposent la crêpe Suzette. Okay, la crêpe Suzette is traditional in restaurant, but not in kitchen, because we have one fight with this. In kitchen, in our book, every book of kitchen and what we learn in school of cooking, we never burn la crêpe Suzette. Never. It is in big like this. Never. From the crêpe Suzette, never.
By the way, this is really good, okay?
Thank you very much. It's simple, very simple.
Great.
Just sugar and butter. Voilà. So this is here we are crêperie gastronomique. In brasserie, in general, they want to make show. You know, it's nice. I love to eat this.
This is what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Like this waiter, he just came and
he came.
He made this fire in front of me.
He makes some sugar, some water. He make little bit caramel fast, orange juice, et voilà butter. Very important.
It was very
butter.
dramatical. It was so French. How did you change Paris with Zagreb or your place where you live near Paris?
For what? For what?
For Zagreb, yes. Why did you came over here?
I came here to see the friend.
Okay.
And
that
to
was
discover.
5 years ago, huh?
Yes, it was 5 years ago, and Pet Godina, and I decide to stay the day who I fell in love with one woman. She came in my friend home, and for the dinners, and when she entered, I had the thunderstorm for her, and I decided to.
You had a feu de cour, huh?
Coup de foudre. I start to make pancake at home one day because I want to make a nice pancake at home, and so I make pancake, and she said, "Wow, it's so incredible, and why you don't open one restaurant here?"
This is apple or peach or pear.
This is apple. I mean, you can make pear too.
Okay.
It's absolutely possible. Sorry, I
Okay,
need to take one plate.
Oh, great.
Voilà.
One plate, please.
Alors, the French cuisine is completely. Sorry, I was talking with you, and so I make mistake.
You said that in the kitchen you have to work for 16 hours or 75 hours. 1,076 hours per day.
Yeah.
44 hours.
Yes, in kitchen you don't look your time. You know, you need to. The only moment where you look your time is to know when your eggs are cooked, when this is finished. You know, but yes, in kitchen, for me, I think every chef, I think, will say the same. You never look your time. It's like this. You need to cook all the time. You need to create. You need to imagine. You need to do
Create.
To create. You need to, you know.
Do you think that being a chef is a creative work, like being a painter or being a director?
I think you have many type of chef. You have the type of chef creative. You have the type of chef they will just make when you ask them to make. They will follow the book. You know, you have different category of chef. After, I think yes, when you want, for example, to be gastronomic, to be a star restaurant by the Michelin, yes, you are. You must to be extremely creative. Can I have 2 plates, please? This is apple caramelized. Here is one cake we make by ourselves.
Okay.
One
sladoled od vanilije.
Voilà, it's number shortbread. Actually.
Ovo je jabuka.
Voilà, jabuka.
Yes, and this
and
is...
here is a caramel.
Znači sos od karamele.
Yeah, sauce caramel, but homemade. Homemade sauce caramel.
Okay.
Everything is homemade. Mimi, 1 stick, please. Here. You see, we close the aumônière. Okay. We close the aumônière.
I sad izgleda kao mala vrećica zapravo, and it looks like a small bag.
Yeah. Can I have 1 plate, please? And can I have the chocolate, please? This is the same. It's the homemade chocolate.
Znači stavlja čokoladu i stavlja karamelu.
And with,
oh là là, mon Dieu.
With caramel beurre fondu, here we take our aumônière.
I sad prebacimo ovu ovdje.
Voilà, we make here and voilà.
I onda ja probavam.
And voilà. Now try this.
Okay. I will do my best.
You attack here, okay?
Okay, so I attack over here.
Yeah. Here, one side.
Okay, so I have to show to the camera?
Of course.
Evo kamera.
I understand. Voilà.
Okay, so let's see. Okay, I can't wait. I'm so nervous.
Don't talk. If you want, you take some apple, you put butter in your apple, some sugar, you put in the oven 180 degrees.
Okay.
And when you want to know when your apple is cooked, you just take one knife, very sharp, and you put in middle, you know. And when you can enter inside your apple, but it's stop in middle, it's cooked. And then you stop. You go out, you put sugar again, and your apple is beautiful. Here is more complicated because we make caramelize. We caramelize our but what I just give you now is very nice.
He's very impatient, he said.
No, I will make the new after for you. Yeah. Don't worry.
And he would like to try. Okay, evo čekajte da damo našem kamermanu koji je vrlo nervozan, on želi jest. Evo ti, evo ti. Okay. Oh, voilà.
Je peux avoir les herbes, le poivron rouge s'il vous plaît? Les baies.
Oh. And then you put some cream on. What's that?
This is one special cream with a moutarde, French moutarde from Dijon. So it's a French moutarde from Dijon. And here we make some ciboulette, you know. little bit. You never cook
And what's
too much.
that? The red one?
This is the bay from Madagascar. And voila, so we put some bay, and here, voila. This is one salty galette. We do it, and here you have champignons. The champignon is a special preparation too.
Okay.
I cook without water. The champignon.
Okay.
It's a very special technique, and with some grass and some butter we prepare by ourselves. It's a green butter, we said. And here you have the galette, traditional galette with the chicken. Chicken is marinated, and we cook after in a vapor oven and little bit in the try.
That's good. Yeah, I'm going to try this. Okay. Znači, kušanje broj 2. Slane palačinke s piletinom. Toni? Najgore je snimat kužiš ove kulinarske šove jer ti snimatelji jedu cijelo vrijeme. Udebljat ćemo se. Okej. Si.
What do you think? I will try with you because I need to check if the assaisonnement is okay. We mix pepper.
Evo režem opet. O Bože, ovo je stvarno dobro.
And here you are gluten free. You are gluten free here.
So there is no gluten.
No gluten.
I can stay fit.
Yeah. Here you are not more to maybe 400 calories. No? Yeah, because look, you have just champignon, chicken, little bit of sauce, and this is not caloric.
This is so tasty. It's really, really
It's
good.
very less caloric. Huh?
I love the mushrooms.
Yeah, it's nice, huh?
And the chicken?
And the chicken is a chicken we bought in Dollars. And we make a preparation with the marinade.
Yes.
So it's a special for the
It's
chicken,
good.
the marinade.
It looks like a fish.
Yeah, because we make like a boudin. In French we said we make like a boudin with a plastic, okay, and our marinade we cook with the vapor. So after when we put out, it's like boudin, so we need to cut in slice.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it looks like this.
It looks like sausage.
Here you have the bœuf bourguignon.
Okay.
And ratatouille, and in top in ratatouille we put the pancetta. Voilà, so you have this. So here, the Bartek.
Toni jede, opet.
Voilà.
Toni će se odebljati. Ja, pogledajte koliko je naš snimatelj pojeo.
So here you are.
Okay.
Alors, here you are bourguignon. Bœuf
Okay.
bourguignon. So bœuf bourguignon is what I said. I told you a long preparation, and so here you see the meat is a beef, okay, and you just can try like this.
Okay. I will try with this or with this. Can I mix it or not?
Yes, of course.
Of course,
I just
okay.
look if there's enough oil.
Okay, this is over polenta. This is polenta? Polenta?
No, pure of potato.
Ah, that's potato.
Yeah,
okay,
but
ovo je
gastronomic.
krumpir.
You have cream,
Krumpir?
butter, many things. It's very
I
gastronomic.
onda uzmem malo
Ja,
ovoga.
aha.
Znači, to je ta kuhana govedina sa povrćem. Okay.
For example, you can do it this. Voilà, here we are in the category bistro restaurant. So
Oui.
just before we are in category crêperie, is what we do it, crêperie. But le Mika is not crêperie, it's
Yeah.
a bistro and we make some crêpes.
And for the end of this interview, I can only say that you all should come over here and eat. And thank you so much for these wonderful dishes that you made. It's really great and it's really French, huh?
Very
Ah,
French,
c'est
very
très bon.
French, definitely.
Ja bi sad mogla nastaviti jesti. Da, gotovi smo.